Next, we can move to the experimentation of the wall refacing machine. Next, we can move to the experimentation of the wall refacing by using a wall refacing machine. See, this is the wall refacing machine. This is the wall refacing machine. So, in the wall refacing machine, you can observe the different components of the wall refacing. So, you can see this is the wheel. So, and also here this whole part is called the this component. It consists of what? The wheel, rotation of the wheel, and also here the grinding wheel is there. So, this is the grinding wheel, that both aside the grinding wheel is there in the grinding head. And so another part here, it's the one lever, the lever movement. So when you move the lever movement, so it can move on the linear manner, so or the linear way. You can observe this is the wheel. So also it is the purpose of to hold the wall part on here. So then actually this machine we are used for the purpose of to reface the wall in the facing area of the wall. This is the lever, so which is used for to movement of the wall chuck. So the wall chuck is used for the purpose of to hold the wall, or to hold the wall here. And this first of all the wall whatever in the wall lapping we know, so that is also carbon deposited on the wall seating area. So this wall seating area, any carbon deposition is there, so that we can remove by using a wall refacing machine. So you can observe this is the wall. So in the seating area also sometimes, so there is a after using a long period of time, so this wall will be deposition on the carbon deposition on the surface of the seating area, okay, so of the wall. So that's why, so we need to insert, so we need to place the wall. So we place the wall like this, and now I will show you what is the procedure we follow to run the wall refacing machine. And first of all, the wall refacing is conducted for the any type of wall. It's an inlet wall or the exhaust wall. So it is depending on the angle. So you know the inlet wall and exhaust wall will be available in the range of the 35 degree to 45 degree so angle. So based on that, so we can use the settings. So you can observe the settings here. So there is a graduation is there here. So see here. So this is the 60 degree and 45 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree, and also 75 degree and 90 degree, like that. So in this graduation, and also here one line is there. So in this line, so we can exactly for that marking, so we can fix the chuck for the movement of the wall. So then, so after fixing this, so we can hold this by using a tightening by using this. Now you can observe, so this is the holding of the wall. So this is the way we hold. So now we start the machine, switch on the machine. See, this is the way the wall will be rotating. So you know the grinding, the same way here also the wall refacing grinding, face will be a grinding, the grinding wheel. See, this is the way we can adjust. So the movement of the grinding wheel and also the wall face. The wall face will be touches to the wall face is touches to the grinding wheel, and slowly you can move. So this is the way. So with a very minimum amount, so we can remove the wall, and also to remove the carbon deposition on the surface of the wall seating. And now you can observe, so this is the way we can grind. So it is the shiny part, so you can observe. So after grinding, so it look like a, so without any carbon deposition, you can observe. So there is no any carbon deposition here. And in this machine we are also grinding possible on the tip of the wall. Also the wall, if it is needed any necessity of to remove the cleaning on the surface of the tip. So then also we can remove by using a grinding. So here another one provision is there in this machine. So that is another grinding. So you can observe this is the grinding wheel is there. So in this grinding wheel, so the perpendicular to the grinding wheel, so we can exactly place the valve tip and fix and tighten the holding the valve and tighten firmly like this and set it first. Then finally you can tight like this. So perpendicular, tip is perpendicular to the grinding wheel. Then again you start the machine, then tighten. So see, when you are moving, tighten, then moving, so this is the way. So to and fro motion you can move, and finally, so this is the way it will grind. So on the tip of the valve.